zinc 3d10 4s2 loss of one electron, that ionization energy is more because here paired electrons 4s2 here paired electrons, one electron left after 3d10 4s1, here only single electron. The electron removing purpose ionization energy is required, so it was very easily to remove the electron. That's why ionization energy 1 is more than that of ionization energy 2. Copper metal atom ionization energy 1, this is a 3d10 4s1, it is converted to Cu power plus 1 and 1 electron left. Ionization energy 1 is less because the 1 electron left. Cu power plus 1, this is a 3d10. 3d10 means all paired electrons. Cu power plus 1, 3d10, all paired electrons, loss of one more electron. Cu power plus 2, ionization energy is 2, this is already stable. It's not interested to lose its stability, but more energy I supplied after its loss of one electron. After I obtained Cu power plus 2, so here ionization energy 2 is more than that of ionization energy 1. So overall this is the topic of ionization energy. Is trends in the m power plus 2 to m means metal ion to metal. Standard electrode potential. See, solid metal converted to ion in the solution. Converted to ion in solution. How we are calculate the electrode potential? To calculate the standard electrode potential purpose, the metal rod dipped into the solution. The metal rod dipped into the solution. After the metal produced ions, in between the process we are calculate the standard electrode potential. In solution we are calculate the standard electrode potential. See here, copper to copper plus 1, standard electrode potential value of copper is positive. Copper standard electrode potential value is positive. That's why it does not displace the hydrogen gas from the acids. Suppose Cu, you have to be taken diluted HCl, it is diluted. That's why copper does not displace the hydrogen, because copper standard electrode potential value is positive. Which metals electrode values is positive, that metals does not displace the hydrogen from the respective acids. Okay, under high energy, copper metal reacted with concentrated acids. Under high energy, concentrated, but this is a diluted. Diluted onwards, copper does not displace the HCl, but concentrated onwards, at high energy, it is possible to displace. Here hydrogen gas is liberated. Diluted onwards, not liberate the hydrogen gas, because high standard electrode potential value is positive. See, the electrode values for manganese, nickel, zinc are more negative than accepted from the end. See here, accepted values, experimental values will be there. Manganese, nickel, zinc, then compared to expected values, then compared to theoretical values, expected standard electrode potential values is more. Then compared to theoretical value, experimental values are more. Standard electrode potential values are more. Why Cu plus 2 is more stable than that of Cu plus 1? Cu plus 2 is more stable than Cu plus 1 because hydration enthalpy of Cu plus 2 is more negative than that of Cu power plus 1, which more than compensates for the second ionization energy. Cu to Cu power plus 1. This is a 3d10 4s1. It was very easy to remove the electron. Here ionization energy 1. After this is a 3d10. The Cu power plus 1 3d10 ionization energy 2 is more. After it is converted to Cu power plus 2. Here hydration enthalpy value is more. So here ionization energy is 2 is more than that of ionization energy 1, which more than compensates for the second ionization energy. So Cu plus 1 shows disproportionation reaction. This is unstable. The unstable ion quickly converted to Cu power plus 2 and Cu. So Cu power plus 2 is more stable. Next, why chromium plus 2 reducing agent and Mn power plus 3 is oxidizing agent when both have D4 configuration. See here, Cr power plus 2 shows D4 configuration, but this is called reducing agent. Like that, Mn power plus 3 shows D4 configuration, but this is called oxidizing agent. Cr power plus 2 means it shows 3d4 configuration. D means 5 orbitals. It contains 4 electrons. 3d4 it contains 4 electrons. Under high energy split into 2 parts. This is a Eg set to this is a T2g set. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orbitals. These 5 orbitals are split into 2 sets, Eg and T2g set. Okay, these 4 electrons, first of all, 3 electrons are entered into the T2g set. The 1 electron is entered into the Eg set. The one more electron, here the 1 extra electron loss. Loss after we are observing only 3 electrons in T2g set of filled electronic configuration. That's why it is more stable. When onwards, loss of this electron. That's why Cr power plus 2 is plus 3, loss of 1 electron. Loss of 1 electron we are called oxidation. Oxidation, one more name is reducing agent. That's why Cr power plus 2 very interested to do loss of electron. That's why this is called oxidation or reducing agent. Next, Mn power plus 3, 3d4 configuration. D contain 5 orbitals. Here in these 5 orbitals, D shows 4 unpaired electrons. The 5 d orbitals are split into 2 sets. One is Eg set, another one is T2g set. 3 electrons are entered into the T2g set. The 1 electron is entered into the Eg, and one more electron is accepted. Mn power plus 3 is accepted one more electron. Mn power plus 3 accepted 1 electron. After this is also a off filled, this is also a off filled electronic configuration. So more stable. That's why Mn power plus 3 is accepted after it shows off filled electronic configuration. Mn power plus 3 is accepting 1 electron. Accepting 1 electron is called as reduction. The reduction, one more name is oxidizing agent. After Mn power plus 3 is converted to Mn power plus 2. This is the main explanation. Trends in stability of higher oxidation states. In 3D series, transition elements, scandium plus 3, chromium plus 6, Mn power plus 2, Fe power plus 3, more stable. Stability means more stable. Shows noble gas configuration. Finish. Next, metal oxides. Number of oxygens increases. Number of oxygens is increases means oxidation number also increases. They shows more acidic nature. Which one metal contain highest oxidation number? The metal oxides are shows acidic nature. Examples. Next, iron oxide compounds. Oxidation number is increases. Acidic nature increases. Which one metal contain highest oxidation number? That is a more acidic nature. CET point of view, these are the very important.